So in this set, we have 1, 8, 27, 64, and 125, and so forth. Now, all of these numbers have something in common because we can say 1 times 1 times 1 is equal to 1. And 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 is equal to 8. And if I multiply 3 with itself twice, I get 27. And if I multiply 4 with itself twice, I get 64. And the same goes for 5. So these are all cube numbers. And how we find cube numbers is we take a natural number and we raise it to the third power. So I say 3 raised to the power of 3, or 3 cubed, 4 raised to the power of 3, 5 raised to the power of 3, and so forth.